Hey everyone, this is Jyoti. Welcome back. मेरे साथ है
Shruti, yeah.
Yay. Said our full names today. Full names मतलब real names. It's time. It's time for
Whenever you say it's time, na? And now we have so many of these people जिनके लिए it's time हो जाता है that now I have no idea.
Joe K. Joe K's in the house. He's back.
Yeah.
And this time he's brought quite the brigade with him. There's Sheikh,
Yeah.
Mirza, Zain, JJ47, and Tala Yunus on the step track. And I think Sheikh, Mirza, and Zain together are called the Fury Rapsters because
Beauty
that's what
Rapster, yeah.
the
Yeah.
creative shows that. So, what are our expectations from this? I don't actually-
Happiness is immense because suddenly it's like joke, like like full happiness happens. But I'm really reining my expectations way low because I just want to enjoy the song. I'm just like how sometimes the expectation is with self to enjoy the song so much that I'm like it's okay, kuch bhi milega na, I'll be happy. So I'm
Yeah.
just like, theek hai, no problem. I will be happy
Yeah.
today.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So let's then get into it. We've never heard the
Yeah.
Fury Rapsters before, but
Correct.
clearly it's a collab. I mean, if the collab is happening, then there must be something else. Chalo, let's just get into it.
Let's
6.5 minute song.
Yay!
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. Lyrics are pinned up.
Yeah.
दर्जा हरारत बढ़ेगा ये सालों की चाहत लगी काफी लागत खड़े इस जगह पर खड़ी को ना ताका लड़ा खुद ही जाकर बनी काफी ताकत सकाफत से बार तू क्या तेरी यार तू चलता ना नाम क्यों हाथों को बांध तू कर ले एहसान है फार तू पार कर हार को गिन ले या साल तू खास राब्ता करा खत्म माजी के साथ ही बड़ा कदम जाने के बाद ही दिखता जन्म सिक्के जो पलटे तो चलता कलम शायर में साथ में गुलशन का ब्रो ये बातें हैं जाहिर तो बेटर यू कोड गवा सारे जीते लोग भरोसा ना भूला था पीछे जो सबक के लिए पलट दिया सीन को तरक्की है फर्क ली तो गरक किए नीच लोग सरत परे सबक दिए गरम करे बीफ तू फर्क करे अलग करे फड़क दिए टीम प्रोस हसल पे ना फ्लेक्स ये फर्ज है फखर है ये पैर तक सर से सफर करा तय ये मर के बचते जिंदा सद के सबके कला का तो कातिल है मकतब गर्दिश में दुनिया निकाले सब मतलब मंजर कशी करता जिंदगी मरकस इनसे रहूंगा मुतासिर में कब तक जवाब ना हासिल है काफी सवाल खूबियां छुपी थी अंदर हजार चले पन्ने देर रात आगे भी बाकी है बेशुमार ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये लब का साया ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज़ हक पे बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इंसानों की रग रग से ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया ये वक्त जो आया हसन नुमाया हर लफ्ज़ हक पे बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इंसानों की रग रग से लगा रहा चिंगारी भड़क उठी आग में दुनिया हारी कलाकारी भारी पड़ी साल में 7 से 1 ना पढ़ा पर लिखा था साथ में स्कूल के जाट पर ये शुरुआत हुई क्लास में देखे ख्वाब जिन्हें पूरा करने को फिर सोए नहीं देते दांत मंजिल पास रस्तों में खोए नहीं बहती में धोए नहीं गिर उठे पर रोए नहीं दम खुद कैसे कोई नहीं जख्म को हम धोए नहीं आगाज कैसे भूलो इख्तिताम को नाज के हम वो फैन साथ बांध दिन के लाभ जो कैश करे ना ट्रेंड्स हम पहचान दे 60 को रुके ना गिरे घाट जो मौत ही थोड़े साथ को खोट जो है हजार तो प्यार देते लाखों सुने वो इस खिताब को जले जो हम बेबाक को गले लगे माँ बाप जो गिले करे आज शाट वो सिलसिले ये नाप लो फिर बोले तुम फारो हाँ देख देख अपना सीन अलग पूछे मुझसे स्कीम तलब गाने ये अफीम फलक छूते पर जमीन कदम चीन कलम तोड़ भरम ले ले चाहे 100 जन्म जाके कर तू लाख जतन मर के भी ना हो खत्म ले कसम ये करम जीते जी ये जीत से तम मेरे इन मुखालिफों पे मुख्तलिफ ये सोच जो हम तालिब रहते गालिबों के रातों को मुसन्निफ सूरज निकले तो मुसाफिरों में कादिर तभी काबिलों में कासिर वो जो कायर खोदे शातिर बन के खुद की कब्र से फिर से ये शुरू सफर मगर खड़े 100 पे नियत के ना खोटे छोड़े ना ये मौके ना कंधे चुके बोझ से दो के खाए रोज के टोकते का वो बेटोट के लाए रोज के रोक ना चाहे रोज ये राज छुपाए खौफ से जैन बोले तो छोड़ दे बैक देते जो के रोक सके तो रोक ले ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज़ हक पे बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इंसानों की रग रग से ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज़ हक पे बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इंसानों की रग रग से।
आज फिर लड़ू किसकी में खातिर, ना गिर अगर उठने के काबिल, जाहिल लोग समझे में शातिर, जाहिर जो दिमाग रखूं हाजिर, फाजिल इल्म था मुझे हासिल, शायरी जैसे होती मुझे नाजिल, तुझे मसले तो सीधा मुझसे आमिल, रब साथ हो तो फिर कोई भी मुकाबिल, तुम्हें लगे ये वक्त बड़ा कीमती, ऐशो याशी में दुनिया के फायदे, सब ये असूल पुराने कायदा सिखाए न जीने के कायदे, शोर में कुछ न सुनाई दे, मुंह में नहीं बचते हैं जायके, मौत का दिन तो मुकर्रर, फिर क्यों जिंदगी भर के मुहाइदे, कदम चला बदन मेरा टूटता रहा, रस्सी थामी पर हाथ मेरा छूटता रहा, ख्वाब जैसे कोई बबल जाके फूटता रहा, लफ्ज कीमती जमाना सारा लूटता रहा, मैं खुद से पूछता रहा, पहली बूझता रहा, जिते जी जीने की वजह ढूंढता रहा, ये कीड़ों का झुंड मुझे घूरता रहा, मुझे हेट देते मैं इन पे मुड़ता रहा, बड़ा दिल हो तभी बड़ी बातें करना, अगर लफ्जों के करे तो क्यों वादे करना, जब इरादे करना सीधे साधे करना, लोने बोरियों में बंद हमें आते करना, खोए जब यार पुराने, दुनिया रास नहीं आती, एक कॉल पे है रॉजर, पर कब्र तक आवाज नहीं जाती,
ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया, ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज हक पे, बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े, जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इन सारों की रग रग से, ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया, ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज हक पे, बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े, जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इन सारों की रग रग से।
तरसते लोग मिलना मुझसे धुन में गुम निकाले कैसे दिल में घुस के, सुनते सुनते मिले मुझे चलते रस्ते, हम भी धुन में आज उन पे मिल के हंसते, दिन ब दिन बदल चले जो फेम की चस में, नहीं था बस में खाई हुई खुद से कसमें, लिखता सच में दौड़े नस में, देखे सदमे दुखती रग ये जाने रब ये लिख रहा कब से, वजन मेरी जबान में कलम उठे शान से फख्र होता है काम, देखी रे निकलेंगे कान से छुएंगे आसमान, ये कला को हम पहचानते, खड़े करें हम रॉन्ग पे रैप को सलाम दे, यारों के लिए जानते फूलों में भी हो कांटे, मुसाफिर है हम मानते, मरेंगे सीना तान के, दीवाने जैसे शाम के काम थे, लोग ये सामने साथ दे मेहरबान से, सड़क को भड़क दे वो डरे मेरी झलक से, सड़क ब फलक तक का सफर फंसे हलक में, पलक से छलकते आंसू जब किस्मत पलट दें, दुनिया से अलग बड़ा फर्क बातें कड़क, सिर्फ ख्वाहिश पूरी मुझे पसंद नहीं मशहूरी, अगर कदर हो अधूरी मेरा सबर मेरी खूबी, रहूं नजर में लोगों की चले खबर, कहूं जो भी मेरी जिंदगी एक मूवी, अपनी कबर खुद ही खोदी, लिखे नज़म वो भी झूठी, इनकी असद इनकी खूबी, लगे चादर ये भी छोड़ी ना शुक्रों की भरती झोली, साजिश जैसे यहूदी कमर पे खुपे छुरी, होता हजम ने मैं मूडी लफ्जों से चढ़ा दूं सूली, सर नहीं झुकते बोल कैसे हम रोकते, लोग आज भी ठोकते, कभी हम भी गुटते, लेके दिल के टुकड़े गाने दिल के टुकड़े सारे जलते मुझसे क्योंकि निकला से,
ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया, ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज हक पे, बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े, जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इन सारों की रग रग से, ख्वाहिश दिल में रखते करते ज्यादा अब शिकवे सब ये रब का साया, ये वक्त जो आया हसल नुमाया हर लफ्ज हक पे, बड़े जो सिलसिले सारे ये मिल पड़े, जाने क्यों दिल पे ले वाकिफ इन सारों की रग रग से।
You know when familiar voices give you goosebumps? When suddenly you hear familiar voices and suddenly you're like, ah! That happened to me, fully.
So, this, like, it felt like, okay, you know, we're back in our, like, the zone we love.
Yeah. Back home.
Because back home, and just like, where do I start? These, first of all, I can see why they collabed with these guys. Freaking hell. What the hell was going on? The first verse had so many song name drops, mostly from Khana Badosh, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Some non-Khana Badosh songs as well. Like what a super way to give tribute, right? In your first collab. I'm guessing this is the first collab. And then the second, I think second was Mirza. What a freaking flow, man. What the hell was happening?
आजकल ऐसा नहीं होता that सुनते सुनते हमारी सांस फूले, because now I think we're very used to it. We're very used to different flows and the way people are, like, you know, going about it. But in this, I was like getting breathless. I was listening to it and getting breathless and just going, how are they doing this? How is he doing this? It was wonderful.
So yeah, and the thing is, I at least expected JJ and Tala Yunus's verses to be, you know, like, we know, but but even the ones before them,
Sheikh, Mirza and Zayn, they like totally.
So here in the lyrics it says, first verse it says Sheikh, and the second verse it says Mirza. So I don't know where Zayn is. Either way, Either way,
Hmm.
we'll just talk about Sheikh and then Mirza and then JJ and then
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
you go first. Go for it.
My favorite bit was the flow and how it was going so fast that usually how I always say that I love it when in most of Tala Yunus and Joke collabs one has to really keep up, and I enjoy that a lot, and that vibe was completely there in this song as well. you know uh, with the new people that they have collabed, at least that's the first song we are hearing of this collab, and that level was maintained, and I think that just gave it such a different flavor because they were going equally fast. Their verses were equally gripping, if not like pulling you more, because we don't know what their backstory is, we don't know how they think, how they write their verse and stuff. So it had my attention so completely that I was immersed in, to the point where, like I was saying earlier now, that when you're so into it that you are breathing like them, you are like so into it, listening to it with them, that I was getting breathless on their behalf, but they were not letting up, they were just going at it. And how uh, overall, and of course then the second JJ47 came, and I was like, home ground. It felt really good, and then when Tala Yunus came, it just gave me goosebumps, and I was like, I just like full happiness happened. But overall, it's a very strong track, and actually the stuff that they're speaking,
Yes.
it's as usual very hard hitting and very like it made me think. It made me just stop and think. And I think that's what I really enjoy about their songs, and that
Yeah.
I fully got that. What about you?
So for me, in the first verse, all the tribute to all the tracks of Khana Badosh and then some, that was crazy how he did that. And there was a lot of
Right.
Urdu in there, which I was like, I'm gonna have to listen to this again later properly, full focus ke saath, because you caught it, but at that speed you didn't catch everything, and then you have to put the context and try and figure out the meaning where you don't know the word. So I freaking love that. The song started so strong with Sheikh, who we've never heard before. So for me, that was surprising right from the word go. And of course, all the things he was saying in it, like you said, there was just so much realism and truth and all of that in there.
Correct.
That's something we've come to expect from Young Stunners, but even you can see now why this collab has happened, because these guys are on in the same sort of zone of the same thinking process, right? Their values and their thoughts clearly match on a lot of topics. So that I noticed right away when the song started. And then Mirza came in, and the flow was so good. But then when he did his switch and he sped up, what I'm noticing in the lyrics is that both the verses there are shout outs to tracks from Khana Badosh. In the second one, there's Hatban and Safar, and all this is happening. And forget that. It was just his like speed, and his switch. He switched twice at the end, and the way the music worked with it. I have to, props to Joke for mixing the way he mixes, because the beat, yes, the bass rhythm was going on, but the way he matched it in the mixing and the mastering with each one's flow was so good, so good.
It was amazing.
That
My
bit just
favorite
gave me
part.
goosebumps.
Yeah. My favorite part in, now that you've mentioned the music and the arrangement, my favorite bit in it was how whenever like a really long verse was finishing, there was like this trip and a gap and then a jump. Like, I don't know what technically they call it, but while listening to it, it was almost like, the music is going and then it kind of trips, like it goes really fast, but then it gives a gap and then it pauses and you're just anticipating the next word, and that's when the word comes. It was brilliant. Like that bit, every time it was replicated, I was just like, this is just putting the whole thing together in such a stunning way. It's adding like that, that little break in the constant flow that was going on. एक तो spitting में ही बहुत सारे flow changes हो रहे थे, which was making it very interesting. But even in the music, when that was happening, it was just a very good layer to add. Very nice.
Yeah, so good. And then JJ's verse comes in, which is just one line after one line, just like And of course his voice and his the way he spits his lines is just so unique to him. We keep saying that, but the thing is, if I go through the lyrics, it'll just be a really long video, so I'm not going to do that this time. But just there's so much in there, man. It doesn't even surprise me anymore. And then Tala Yunus,
it's very difficult. It's very difficult to hold your own in front of these two. When JJ47 and Tala Yunus are there, unke verses hote
that's
hain.
exactly
In
what
the
I was
past,
thinking.
Yeah, in the past it has happened where other people have, and then we've been like, yummy tha till they came in, and then it was really good. Here, it was from the word go. Like they have not just held their own, but they have matched and like shown through.
The thing is, and I'm glad you brought that up, because in other collabs of theirs, we've enjoyed the tracks as a whole. But to
Yeah.
be like perfectly honest, there were times when the person they collabed with, it was great, it was pleasant, but it wasn't like,
Yeah.
oh my god, I'm taking away something like insanely memorable from it.
Correct.
But in
Correct.
this collab, I am, because the
Yeah.
the tribute they've given to the songs, the flows that they've done, the switches they've done, just the amount of Urdu they've packed in, like the really heavy Urdu words, which is not easy. It's not easy
Not easy.
to do shairi.
It was. There were lines where it was almost
early
like a
on.
tongue twister. I was
Yeah.
like, if I had to say this is like a very tough tongue twister, and to
क्योंकि वो
keep
बहुत-
that level of clarity.
Yeah, क्योंकि वो बहुत लंबे words है ना, they're not even like short
Yeah.
words. So,
Yeah.
they go in like into multi-syllables, and then it's just to stay in that flow with all of that happening is just very, very, very credible. And of course then Tala Yunus comes in and kills it per usual. Like I don't even have anything to say, because like what else can we say that we haven't said already?
That's all you say. You just
There
like
was just-
feel happy and go,
There was just one Rongte line which I love, because that was my favorite word when I was in radio. I used to just say, "Oh, Rongte Gana." I would like my adjective would be Rongte song, Rongte Gana.
Nice.
So he has used Rongte here. Khade kare hum Rongte. Rap ko asal naam de, whatever that line, that whole bit. I was like, "Yee." Okay. Favorite word has come. So I mean, this is going to be played over and over. It's going on the playlist, all the playlists. It's just
Very
I'm
heavy song, but it is, huh? Very
heavy, but
Yeah.
very like I mean, it's one of those. Yeah, it makes you think when you sit
Yeah.
and you listen to it properly with like the lyrics in front of you, and really get into the meaning behind each line and each person's words. There's
Yeah.
a lot being said that'll make you think.
Correct.
So we love that kind of music. Fury Rapsters, well done. And of course, JJ Tala and Joke, we love you. Nothing has to add here.
Nothing.
Um,
I'm just like still reeling. I'm just
I
like, like I said, that's a heavy song, so I'm still like under the effect of it that's happening to me. Yeah.
Inkalab. I'm just the hook was really nice. I think there were a couple of people on it. There was one voice, and then Joke joined in for the last 4 lines. So I'm still wondering who maybe Zayn. I don't know. Maybe Zayn was on the hook. I don't know. Could be, right?
Maybe.
Yeah. We don't know. If you guys know, please tell us.
We don't know. Yeah.
But yeah, as always, not disappointed at all. Very far from it. Hello, we will take your leave and we will get into the lyrics offline. Ms. Bhola's channel is linked below. Check it out and take care of yourselves. We'll see you in the next one.
Yes.
Live long and prosper.
Bye.